Want to earn some extra income, but have no clue where to start? Okay, this video is for you. And let me tell you something, you don't need a stack of cash to start making serious bank. That's right, whether you're looking for some side hustle cash to finally buy that thing you've been wanting, or you're ready to ditch your boss and become your own CEO, the internet has opened up a world of possibilities. Forget what they told you. You don't need investors, you don't need a fancy business degree, and you definitely don't need to empty your bank account to start earning. In this video, I'm going to break down 7 incredible income ideas that you can start today, right now, with zero, and I mean $0 out of your pocket. We're talking about proven methods that people just like you are using to bring in some serious dough. So buckle up, smash that like button, and get ready to take some notes because things are about to get wild. Alright guys, the first income idea is all about tapping into that hidden talent you've got. I'm talking about freelancing. Are you amazing at writing? Can you design a logo that would make Nike jealous? Or maybe you're a master of organization and customer service. Whatever your superpower is, chances are someone out there is willing to pay for it. Think of platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer as your online talent show. Create a profile, highlight your skills, and start bidding on projects that match your expertise. Don't worry about being the best in the world right off the bat. Honesty time. When I first started out, I was clueless. But I learned as I went, and you can too. The beauty of freelancing is that you set your own rates and work on your own time. Need to make rent this month? Pick up an extra project? Want to take a day off to relax? Go for it. And the best part is, you don't need fancy software or equipment to get started. Canva is a lifesaver for graphic design and it's totally free. Google Docs is your writing best friend, free and easy to use. You can literally start earning money from your laptop in your pajamas. Yo, imagine waking up to find out you made money while you were sleeping. Sounds too good to be true, right? Wrong. With digital products, that dream can become a reality. This is all about passive income, baby. Here's the deal. You create something valuable once, like an ebook, a printable planner, a killer resume template, whatever your creative mind can come up with, and you sell it over and over again. No need to restock inventory, pack boxes, or deal with shipping nightmares. Let's break it down. Say you're a whiz at meal prepping and have a knack for creating delicious, healthy recipes. You can write an ebook using, you guessed it, the free Google Docs, package it up nicely, and sell it on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Boom! Instant passive income stream. Or maybe you're a design guru with an eye for aesthetics. Create stunning printables like wall art, planners, or invitations using Canva, and list them on Etsy. People download, you get paid. Simple as that. And the earning potential? Sky's the limit. It depends on the quality of your product, your marketing skills, and the demand for your niche. But just imagine, even if you only make a few $100 a month in passive income, that's still extra cash to invest, save, or treat yourself. Okay, listen up because this next income idea is how a lot of people are building those dream lives you see all over Instagram. I'm talking about affiliate marketing, the art of getting paid to promote products you love. It's like being that friend who gives amazing recommendations except you get a cut every time someone takes your advice. Pretty sweet deal, right? Here's how it works. You join an affiliate program like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, or ClickBank. These platforms connect you with thousands of brands and products to promote. Once you're in, you get a unique affiliate link for each product. Share that link on your social media, your blog, even in the comments section of a YouTube video. When someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Now here's where it gets interesting. You don't need 1 million followers to make this work. You can start by writing honest product reviews on free platforms like Medium or LinkedIn. Target the right keywords, provide valuable content, and watch as people discover your recommendations through organic search. As your audience grows and you become known for your killer recommendations, you can start earning some serious cash. We're talking hundreds, thousands, even tens of thousands of dollars per month for top affiliates. It's all about finding your niche, building trust with your audience, and promoting products you genuinely believe in. Chapter 4. Surveys and Microtasks, Easy Money Hacks. Look, I'm not gonna lie, this next income idea isn't going to make you rich overnight, but it's a super easy way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. I'm talking about online surveys and microtasks. Think of it like this. You're sitting on the couch, binge-watching your favorite show, and instead of just scrolling through your phone aimlessly, you could be racking up some cash. Platforms like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and Amazon Mechanical Turk will literally pay you for your opinions and small tasks. Take surveys, watch videos, test websites, even transcribe audio clips. These microtasks might not seem like much, but they can add up quickly, especially if you're consistent. And the best part? Most of these platforms pay out via PayPal or gift cards, so you can cash out your earnings easily. Now, I'm not saying you should quit your day job and become a professional survey taker, but if you've got some downtime and want to make a few extra bucks without any effort, this is a no-brainer. Alright, let's get real for a second. How many of you have a spare room gathering dust, a car that sits idle most days, or a closet full of clothes you haven't worn in years? Well, guess what? That stuff could be making you money. We live in a sharing economy, my friends, and there are platforms out there that make it easier than ever to turn your unused space and belongings into cold, hard cash. Got an extra room or even just a couch? List it on Airbnb and become a host for travelers. You get to meet new people from all over the world and they get a comfortable place to stay. It's a win-win. Have a car that's parked more often than it's driven? Platforms like Turo let you rent it out to people who need a temporary set of wheels. You set the price, choose your availability, and boom, your car is making money for you while you're not even using it. And don't even get me started on all the stuff we accumulate over the years. Instead of letting it clutter up your life, why not sell it or rent it out? Platforms like Fat Llama let you rent out anything from cameras and drones to power tools and musical instruments. It's like the Airbnb of stuff. Alright, for all you creative souls out there, this one's for you. If you love making videos, writing stories, or sharing your thoughts with the world, content creation could be your ticket to online income. Here's the beauty of it. You don't need a fancy studio or expensive equipment to get started. Got a smartphone? Congratulations, you're a filmmaker. Start a YouTube channel, share your unique perspective, and connect with an audience who loves what you do. More of a wordsmith? No problem. Create a free blog on Medium or WordPress and share your thoughts, stories, and expertise with the world. The key is to be consistent, create high-quality content, and engage with your audience. Now let's talk monetization. Once you've built a loyal following, you can start earning money through ads, sponsorships, or even by selling your own products or services. The earning potential is unlimited, and the best part is you're getting paid to do what you love. Let's be real. We've all got drawers full of stuff we never use, closets overflowing with clothes we haven't worn in years, and maybe even a garage or attic that's home to forgotten treasures, or maybe just plain old junk. But what if I told you that all that clutter could actually be a goldmine waiting to be unearthed? That's right, selling your used items online is a fantastic way to declutter your life, make some extra cash, and maybe even discover a hidden talent for online selling. First stop, the back of your closet. Platforms like Poshmark and ThredUp are perfect for selling gently used clothing and accessories. Got a tech drawer filled with old phones, laptops, or gadgets? eBay and Facebook Marketplace are your new best friends. And don't forget about books. Sites like BookScouter and Declutter make it super easy to sell or trade in your used books for cash or credit. The best part, you're not just making money, you're giving these items a second life and keeping them out of landfills. It's a win-win for your wallet and the planet. There you have it, my friends. 7 incredible income ideas that prove you don't need a single dollar to start making money in 2025. The opportunities are out there, the tools are free, and the only thing holding you back is you. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It takes effort, consistency, and a willingness to learn and adapt. But trust me, the rewards are worth it. So, what are you waiting for? Pick an idea that excites you, take action, and start building the life of your dreams, one hustle at a time. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these income ideas are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments down below. And don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more money-making tips and tricks.